This is the last video which will deal with authorities as appointed under the Industrial Disputes Act 1947. By now you know the name of my video series. It's called Pappu Pass Ho Gaya. Okay, we've already dealt with Conciliation Officer, Board of Conciliation, Court of Inquiry, Labour Court, Industrial Tribunals, and we are on to the last authority, National Tribunals, Section 7B. Now let's test your smarts. Who appoints the National Tribunals? Okay, I got an answer, appropriate government. I would have given full marks for it, except this is the only authority where it is not the appropriate government but the central government. So in all other cases it's appropriate government, could be state, could be central. Only in case of national tribunals the buzzword is central government. May constitute by notification where? Where? In the neighborhood greeting card shop? Official Gazette. By notification in an official gazette, the central government may constitute one or more national tribunals to settle industrial disputes or any matter relevant to industrial disputes. Now, what is the difference between national tribunals and every other authority? It is appointed by central government. When the dispute is of a nature which is of national importance, or it is of a nature that the industrial establishments are situated in two or more different states. So if it's of national importance, if it's related to industrial establishments that are spread over two or more states, then a national tribunal is constituted by who? By the central government. Now what is the similarity between an industrial tribunal, a labor court and a national tribunal? The similarity is this: they all consist of one person only, a single person. Okay, now what are the qualifications of the presiding officer of National Tribunal? A person shall not be qualified for appointment as the presiding officer of a National Tribunal unless he is or has been a judge of a high court under Section 7B, subsection 3. So it's very clear. National Tribunal must be a sitting or an ex-judge of High Court and nobody else. So there you go. Central government can appoint assessors. Who are assessors? We saw it in the earlier section. Two persons as assessors to advise the National Tribunal in the proceeding before it. So in the proceeding before the tribunal, he can be advised by two assessors. It's not written here who those assessors are or what their qualifications are, but I'm imagining they must be experts from the field because they are guiding the National Tribunal. I have other sections here which says disqualifications for presiding officer, filling of vacancies, finality of orders constituting boards, reconstitution of tribunals. I am not going to go into any of those. It's your job to go there and figure out the rest. But we have just concluded a long series on various authorities as envisaged under the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, a subject covered under labor laws. I will do one final subject for the day, which is called Notice of Change. And then we are done, and then you can head for your examination halls and save your ijjat. Bye bye, see you soon.